Being heeled forward, 1.5 further off those. Special Kosecki leaving the 6 behind them. On the fence next is Persian Play with Dan the Fox back last of all. Coming up to the home turn, 450 to go. Pike sitting there as quiet as a church mouse on the filly. Danarip doing it well. 3/4 to a length. Phenomenon's being shaken up by Nucky when they turn the corner. 2 lengths Cochinella. Further back behind them, Dan the Fox. He still hasn't moved on. Danarip down to the 200. Now he does. Gives her an inch of rain and she'd move 3 quickly on Phenomenons. Then Cochinella. This is all over and she's a class act. Danarip is pulling away. Made them look second rate. One eased down by 3 1/4 lengths on Phenomenons. Cochinella third, I'd say. Just the 600, 1.5 lengths to Dane Smile. On the inside behind them, Timely Queen, then a 1/2 length Rosa Delago. 1 Ishi Babe, most secretive. 1.5 lengths away, then Brava Fortune passing the 450 from Pure Fire. And last is Prada Blue around the corner though. And Danarip the first to spot the judge, given a little more leather, move 2 in front. Here comes Just Marika trying to pull out off the fence. Then 3 lengths away behind them, Timely Queen, Rosa Delago behind them, and Ishi Babe. But now Pike really hits the go button on Danarip, and she's away, she's home. Danarip will win easily. Down the outside, Timely Queen running on well from Ishi Babe and Just Marika.